This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying exact hardware and firmware, so you apply the correct keys and procedure. This prevents brick risk. Once you have a verified backup and a prepared USB containing vendor-signed keys, reboot into UEFI. Enter the firmware's advanced menu and temporarily disable Fast Boot to expose the secure boot options. Make sure you understand the key types present. That knowledge determines which signing and enrollment actions you'll take next. This first step sets a safe foundation and minimizes surprises. Now you replace or enroll keys. Switch Secure Boot to Custom so you can manage PK, KEK, DB, and DBX. From the USB, load the vendor certificate and confirm the SHA 256 fingerprint. This verification prevents malicious keys. If replacing the platform key, PK, understand that will reset KEK and DB, so re-import KEK and DB in the correct order. Once keys are imported and trusted, leave the interface open to test boot entries. You'll need to adjust boot order or sign binaries if the system refuses to boot. Finish by deciding whether to return Secure Boot to standard or keep custom for ongoing manual control. This impacts future updates. Reboot and test each intended boot entry. When a loader or module is blocked, sign it with the enrolled key and retry. If the system fails to boot, restore your backed up keys or re-enroll the original platform key to recover trust. As a key troubleshooting tip, if you encounter persistent rejections, use vendor recovery mode or the firmware's key reset option before doing destructive reset.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.